Daylight Symposium is unique because it bridges the gap between science and applied design. We're here today in Copenhagen to celebrate the 10th edition of the symposium.
Natural daylight is an important factor in architecture today because it has a direct impact on people's well-being.
A lot of the problems that we have in the world, climate change, kids' health, adult health, it all drives through our buildings. The way we've been designing buildings has not been towards health. We've lost that North Star. So we have to recognize that buildings are central to health, and then everything flows from there. All the opportunity comes from healthy buildings.
All of these issues need to be integrated to get a coherent approach to evidence-based guidelines, and we're not there yet. Only by constructive, iterative dialogue can we use the fundamental science to improve building design.
We as scientists, we can actually come up with very complex issues and solutions, but somehow we want, of course, these solutions to be implemented in practice. So we need the practitioners also to be there.
It's too easy for academics to end up in a hall of mirrors where they just hear and see other academics. They need to get out there in the real world and apply their skills to solving problems that they perhaps hadn't heard of before.
I think that if we really want our built environment to be healthier for the people that occupy them, we have to put them at the center of the equation.
It's bringing together researchers, academics like me, professionals. All together we're daylighting enthusiasts.
I hope and trust that we will, as a society, move beyond just looking at how we can make our houses and homes more energy efficient, and look more holistically at how they become healthy homes and healthy places to live for people. And that requires us to also look at the impact of daylight and the impact of fresh air to achieving that.